Hi, welcome to this channel once again. So in our last tutorial, we actually worked on adding new doctors to our database and then displaying all the whole doctors in our database to the admin dashboard to actually view the doctors we added. So quickly in this tutorial, these doctors that are displaying here, we're gonna add them to the front end over here. Alright, so we're gonna add them here, so they're gonna be displaying this way. They're gonna be having their social media handle embedded, and also there's specialization and their name and their image as well. So we're gonna be treating all these things one after the other. So let's get started. All right. Okay, so over here we really have. Just gonna close our tab here. Okay, so what we want to do now is to display the doctors right from our database here. So over here we have three doctors, right? So we should see one, two, three doctors, right, and not six, because we don't have up to six doctors in our database, right? So let's do that now. So we need to go to doctor.php. Out from the admin, we go to doctor.php. So in our last tutorial, we actually created some functions. We have some functions right there. So let's get that function, right? Yeah, we have this function get doctors, right? So we're going to be using this function once again to um put the doctors right here. So go back here. So what we need to do first is bring in our php tag. So we're going to increase this very well for you guys to see. No. Okay, so bring in our php tag, and I want to just bring in the db.php. This is where the whole functions and the helpers um, are. So we'll go to set require once, then we'll go to admin slash, then we'll go to config, right, slash, then we'll go to db.php. Okay, so just similar stuff like what we had here. Okay, so we just had to go through that part, going to the admin here, then going to the config over here, then we get db.php. Alright, so this is simple stuff for us. So right here we're gonna have a variable. Okay, so I have a variable. So this variable is gonna hold all our doctors. So I have a variable doctors equals to get doctors. So remember where this function is actually coming from. Let me show you guys once more. So this function is coming from here, get doctors. So we had this function declared in our last tutorial. So if you've not yet seen the last tutorial, please just pause the video right here, open a new tab, and then watch the video so you get enlightened, then come back. This will make more sense to you. Okay, so we're getting the functions here, get doctors. I'm just going to copy so won't make mistakes. Alright, okay, so get doctors right here. Alright, so we have the function get doctors, and within this variable is holding all the whole doctors from the database. Okay, cool. Alright, so down here, oh, I have to just reduce this. I'll get this stuff right. Okay, so here we have the doctors, different doctors displaying here. So right now these guys, they are static. So with our PHP code, we're going to make this particular page to be dynamic. Okay, so I think this starts from here. Okay, let's see. Let me reduce this a little bit so we'll see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna open up all these stuffs again so you see what I've done so far. So just like we had in the admin, we actually left one of these guys and then we looped through the div. So we're gonna do same for this guy here. We'll remove all these guys and just leave one and loop through it. So quickly, I'm gonna reduce a little bit more so we can get. Okay, so I think the div starts from here. Excellent. Here as well. Here. Here. Okay, and then this as well. Alright. Okay, we have one more here. Alright, so we're just gonna delete everything and just leave one. So if I refresh, I should have just one. Cool. So this is just what we want to have here. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this. I just want to show that cut here. And then we'll start our PHP again. And then remember our variable up here, doctors. So we have if. So we're going to check if it's empty. So if not empty, then we say for each. So here we're looping through the array. So for each doctors as doctor. So I'm just gonna extract this doctor. Okay. So right here, for us to paste back that div we copied, we're gonna delete from this point to here. You get that? I'm just gonna leave this a little bit for us to see. Yeah. Then you delete. Then you paste that. Okay. So once you have this over there, we have to close. We have to close this curly braces and close this guy as well. So we open up our PHP tag again. Close. Close. Interesting. So let's refresh. Oops. Refresh. We didn't add if not empty the variable doctors. Okay, so that is that. Gonna work now. Okay, so wait for this to actually load up. So we are good. Yeah. Oops. We need to add. There's some typo here. Doctor. Yeah. Okay. Alright, cool. So we have just three. Excellent. We just have three doctors there. Over here we have three as well. So let's actually replace their names. Let's get their names. So I'm gonna open this up. So Sarah Jackson will change to be. We're gonna reduce it. Okay. And this will be full name. So I just checked for the colon name. Remember we're making use of extract, right? We're making use of extract. So if I go back here, refresh. Excellent. I'm seeing Gosin Pius, John Doe, Simon Peter, which is what we have here: Gosin Pius, John Doe, and Simon Peter. Okay, so specialty. Do this as well. PHP echo specialty. Remember, it should be the same name with what you have here. Okay, so let's refresh. Excellent. Surgeon, dentist. All right. So what we need to do here now is the link. Remember, they have their social link: Facebook, Twitter, Google, and then Instagram. All right, so let's handle that very fast. Okay, so here we say echo Facebook. All right, so I'm just gonna copy that because of our time. I don't want this video to get so long. And then here will be Twitter, and then here will be Google. So guys, make sure it's the same column name what you have here: Google, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, so I'm not just creating those names from my head. It's actually what we have in the database. Okay, so don't make such mistakes on Instagram. So if I'm to refresh this now, cool. So if I hover on this, you see the just look at this button here. You're gonna see the link. You see that John Doe. If I hover on the, you see that Charis, and you see that Peter. All right. So this is cool. This is all we're gonna be doing in this tutorial. And in the next tutorial, we're gonna be working on adding more um admins, right? Registering more admins to the database so they can as well add doctors when the main administrator is not around. Then he has someone else to help him add doctors. Okay. All right, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial, and please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and like our videos and share our videos, and stay safe. All right, thank you.